Hello guys, welcome to Pulse Edge Network. In this video, we are going to learn about singular and plural. Singular means one thing. Plural means more than one thing. For instance, one pencil, two pencils, more than one. One table, its plural will be three tables. One pumpkin, three pumpkins. Now we add es with the singular nouns and with the words like sh, ch, s or double s. For instance, fish, fishes, box, boxes, bench, benches. Add ies. Now we are adding ies with the words and with y. For instance, butterfly, butterflies, baby, babies, key, keys. Here, if the word wall is here before the word y, we add only s because there is a vowel before the word y. We do not add ies. If there is a consonant before the y, we add ies and drop y. Now we are adding ves. If the singular noun and with the words f or fe, we add ves and drop f or fe. For instance, knife, knives, leaf, leaves, shelf, shelves. So these are singular and plural. Thank you so much. Hope you understand. Good luck.